Good day to all the honorable panels. My title for the study is Comparison between the major constituents in essential oil from cinnamon leaf, Cinnamomum verum and Clove Eugenia caryophyllata extracted by hydrodistillation. Essential oil, which is known as volatile oils, that is extracted by various ways such as hydrodistillation, steam distillation, solvent extraction, cold pressing and liquid carbon dioxide extraction, is a concentrated hydrophobic liquid containing volatile chemical compounds for the plant. The essential oil has a mixture of chemical compounds which are alcohol, saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbons, aldehydes, esters, ketones, ethers, oxides, phenols, and terpenes as it contributes to the odor of the oil. The colorless oil called essential oil is extracted from various parts of the plant such as bark, flowers, seeds, buds, leaves, berries, twigs, balsam, hardwood, roots, seeds and gum, but not all plants produce essential oil. The application of essential is gaining popularity in daily life as they have many psychological, pharmacological and physiological advantages and widely used in aromatherapy. In addition, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-lice, anti-carcinogenic, anti-dandruff, anti-tumor, antioxidant, insect and mosquito repellent action, spasmodic action and hormonal action are the pharmacological properties of essential oil that has been stated in numerous scientific studies. In order to maintain a harmony between the useful properties and acceptability of senses, characterization of chemicals must be conducted by doing various tests. Essential oil that gives benefits to human body where it regulates spiritual, psychological and physiological improvement in human body is a natural and a gift that has no negative impact to humans, but the awareness on the advantages and uses of essential oil in various industries is very low among many, even though the research towards essential oil is increasing because although many essential oil are widely considered as harmless, a number of adverse response either by internal or external routes have been reported following their usage. Even though natural preservatives, essential oils have become a research hotspot due to their environmental benefits as well as their non-toxicity, their solubility and stability has always been questioned. The production of fragrance oil that gives harm to human being is widely being used as it is cheaper and lack of awareness. This study is done to isolate the similar major component from the two spices, which is Cinnamomum verum and Eugenia caryophyllata, so that a valid comparison is made with the characterization from the execution of several analytical assays. This will help to find out which spice among these two will provide more eugenol and the effectiveness towards the various applications. The objective of this study is to extract eugenol in the essential oils from cinnamon leaves, Cinnamomum verum and Clove Eugenia caryophyllata using hydrodistillation technique. The second objective is to isolate the eugenol from the cinnamon leaves, Cinnamomum verum and Clove Eugenia caryophyllata essential oils by gas chromatography and thin layer chromatography. The third objective is to characterize eugenol in the essential oil using mass spectrometry (MS), Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy (FTIR) and nuclear magnetic resonance. So for the scope of study, eugenol in the essential oil will be extracted from cinnamon leaves, Cinnamomum verum and Clove Eugenia caryophyllata using hydrodistillation technique. Next, eugenol in the essential oil from cinnamon leaves, Cinnamomum verum and Cloves Eugenia caryophyllata will be isolated by using gas chromatography and thin layer chromatography. Then eugenol in the essential oil will be characterized using mass spectrometry (MS), Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy (FTIR) and nuclear magnetic resonance. So for the literature review, essential oils are made up of two types of chemical constituents, which are hydrocarbons and their oxygenated derivatives arising from two different isoprenoid pathways. Essential oil fall into two types of chemical composition, which are hydrocarbons and the oxygenated compounds. The constituent that is present in high concentration is the essential oil are the main reason to determine the biological activities. Spices such as cloves, pepper or cumin is an aromatic or pungent bark, fruit, root, seed or other plant substance that is usually used for food flavoring or coloring and as food preservatives. Other than for food purposes, spices also sometimes used in the production of perfume, cosmetics, religious rituals and medicine. A majority of the essential oil are stored in the whole form of spices, where it has to be extracted using methods such as hydrodistillation or cold pressing, where over time they will slowly break down. Cinnamon is considered as the oldest herbal medicine in the world for Indians, Arabians, ancient Egyptians and Italians. Cinnamon that belongs to the Lauraceae family comes from a small plant which is about 30 to 50 feet tall. Cinnamon leaf has a scientific name of Cinnamonum verum and can also be called as Ceylon cinnamon tree as it is native to Sri Lanka. Essential oils from cinnamon are usually extracted from the bark and leaf. The major constituent in cinnamon leaf, Cinnamonum verum, is eugenol, which is about 70% to 95%. Cloves, which are known as Eugenia caryophyllata, is the flower buds of a tree that has aroma and widely produced in several countries. Cloves belongs to Myrtaceae family and widely used for curries, meats, fruits and many more as a flavoring agent and spice due to its richness in essential oil. The clove bud or the leaf produces the essential oil, but the essential oil that has been produced and extracted from clove bud is being used widely as the availability of the clove bud is high and it also has more properties that benefits humankind compared to the essential oil from the leaf. The percentage of eugenol in the essential oil is around 45 to 90%, which makes eugenol the major constituent of the clove bud oil. Eugenol 4-allyl-2-methoxyphenol is a component of phenol and has a class of phenylpropanoids and major component in both cinnamon leaves, Cinnamonum verum and cloves Eugenia caryophyllata. The properties which the essential oil possesses are antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, cytotoxic, insect repellent and anesthetic properties. The antimicrobial property possessed by eugenol in clove and cinnamon essential oil is due to the phenolic component, which is to denature proteins and phospholipids or cell membrane, altering their permeability and inhibiting a wide range of gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria as well as several yeast strains. Besides, eugenol, which has the property of antibacterial and anesthetic, helps to reduce the inflammation. Also, eugenol is the major bioactive component in spices that has anti-diabetic properties. The spices that have been chosen for this study are Cinnamonum verum and Eugenia caryophyllata because these two spices contain high percentage of eugenol content. Thus, it will be easier for this study to conduct the comparison of eugenol extracted from both spices, which are cinnamon leaf and clove. Method of extractions. There are three types of methods that has been discussed, which is hydrodistillation, steam distillation and solvent extraction. Hydrodistillation is one of the traditional methods for extraction of bioactive compounds and one of the oldest, which has been proved the history of application in many ancient civilizations. Steam distillation can be defined as the separation process for temperature-sensitive materials such as oils, resins and hydrocarbons which are insoluble in water and may decompose at their boiling point. Unlike the hydrodistillation method, steam distillation method uses steam that passes through the plant material in order to extract the essential oil from the spices. The solvent extraction methods where a solvent is introduced to the plants and the isolation of essential oils will occur is used for flowers that are very delicate and that is not be able to go through conditions such as those are required for the steam distillation like the temperature and pressure. For this study, hydrodistillation method will be used because it uses less steam, takes less time to process and yields more oil. It also the simplest and inexpensive distillation method. Essential oil consists of mixture of complex of volatile compounds that contains about 20 to 60 components at different concentrations. Thus, analytical assays must be done in order to ensure purity and quality of the essential oil extracted by hydrodistillation from cinnamon leaf and clove. Analytical assays such as gas chromatography, mass spectroscopy (GCMS), thin layer chromatography (TLC), Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy (FTIR), and nuclear magnetic resonance (NMR) will be used in this study. This figure shows the structure of the eugenol. This figure shows the method of extraction, which is hydrodistillation. This figure shows the analytical assays, which is gas chromatography, mass spectrometry (GCMS), thin layer chromatography, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, and nuclear magnetic resonance. For the methodology, cinnamon leaf, Cinnamomum verum and clove Eugenia caryophyllata buds will be bought on online platform. Then the leaves will be cut into small pieces and the clove buds will be crushed and grinded manually using crucible and kept in a tight container. There will be 3 main experiments will be conducted based on the objective of the study. First is to extract the essential oil from spices, which is Cinnamomum verum and Eugenia caryophyllata. Hydrodistillation is used in the study to extract the essential oil from cinnamon leaf and clove bud in this research before going further on the experiment, which is isolating the components. Next, isolation of the components will be done with the aid of gas chromatography and thin layer chromatography. Gas chromatography mass spectroscopy is used to separate component in the essential oil and will identify the component in the oil from cinnamon leaf and clove. This assay is important to isolate and identify eugenol that consists in the essential oil. The oil cinnamon leaf, Cinnamomum verum and clove Eugenia caryophyllata oils will be analyzed using thin layer chromatography to observe its chemical constituents. In order to identify the presence of certain functional group in a molecule, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy method will be used. Nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy (NMR) will be used to determine the molecular identity and the structure of the molecule of the components in the essential oil extracted from Cinnamomum verum and Eugenia caryophyllata. This is the flowchart for my methodology. For the expected results, it is expected that eugenol in the essential oil from cinnamon leaf, Cinnamomum verum and clove Eugenia caryophyllata bud will be successfully extracted by using hydrodistillation method. It is also expected that the eugenol from the essential oil extracted from Cinnamomum verum and Eugenia caryophyllata will be isolated from other components. Next, it is expected that the extracted essential oil from clove Eugenia caryophyllata bud will have higher content of the major constituent, which is eugenol. As for the conclusion, the eugenol in essential oil is very beneficial to human being due to their beneficiary biological activity and can be used in various applications. The first objective, second objective and third objective will be achieved if comparison between both cinnamon leaves, Cinnamomum verum and clove Eugenia caryophyllata is done successfully. Thus, this study will be helpful in order to overcome the problem, which is lack of awareness towards pure essential oil among many. Thank you for listening. I hope I explained everything clearly. Thank you.